My Hotels. Travel more, pay less. Visit www.myhotels.sa. Enter the name of the city and select it from the suggestion menu when it appears. Select check-in date. You can choose which month by clicking the arrows for the next months. Select the checkout date. Then select the number of adults and add the number of children if available. Finally, click Search. Wait for the best prices to show up based on the period you specified. Search results show up as follows: 5-star hotels with the lowest prices and all the way to the highest prices, then 4-star hotels with also the lowest prices first and all the way to the highest. All prices shown are inclusive of taxes and there are no other surprise additional fees. You can also filter the search results. Select the currency. You can filter the offers based on the meals available with the rooms. Another feature is that you can display the hotels close to a certain street. More than one option can be selected. You can show the results based on your budget by dragging the slider to the left to decrease the budget, and the system will instantly display the hotels that suit your budget better. Based on the number of stars, for example, select 5 stars and only 5-star hotels will be displayed. More than one option can be selected. The name of the hotel. You can type the name of the hotel brand to quickly find your favorite hotel and then click the search button. To show the available rooms and prices, click Show the available rooms below the name of the hotel. All the available offers based on your search options will be displayed. Choose the room by clicking the Book button in front of the room type and price. After that, you'll move to the login page. If you already have an account, you can log in using your email and password, or by using your mobile number and password. You can also log in using your Facebook account. Or you can simply make your booking without registration and the system will register you right after you finish the booking process. The information page must be filled out in English. Write the first and last name. Write your contact information, your email and your mobile number without the initial 0, then click Continue. You'll then be navigated to Payment Method Selection page. The page will include all your booking details and the total amount for your stay, inclusive of all fees and taxes. My Hotels offers you many options for payment. Credit cards, Visa, MasterCard, and mada cards. After that, accept the terms and conditions. Then click Continue. The system will automatically take you to the payment page where you will enter your card details. Card number, expiry date, name as shown on the card, and the security code CVV indicated at the back of the card. Now click Pay. The system will send an SMS to the card owner's mobile that includes a temporary password. You need to enter this password in the box to finalize the payment process. Paying through a SADAD account. Accept terms and conditions, then click Continue. The system will forward you to your SADAD page where you write your SADAD username. Then you will be asked to enter your SADAD password. This page is a summary for the process, and as you can see, the amount needed appears here, and your SADAD account credit appears as well. Click Redirect now. You will pay to My Hotels and finalize your booking. Pay Later option. The Pay Later option appears if the offers allow refund until a certain date. Your booking payment will be transferred to My Hotels, account numbers indicated here. Then contact the customer service to confirm the booking. Accept the terms and conditions and click Continue. The initial booking is confirmed and await payment transfer and contacting the customer service for the final confirmation. My Hotels. Travel more, pay less. www.myhotels.sa. Customer Service Centre 9200 33025. Contacting from outside Saudi Arabia 00966 115 101 881.